First, you want to find out what kind of RAM your laptop takes. So just go to Google and then type in your laptop name and then just type in RAM at the end. You want to do some research to find out what RAM that your laptop takes. In my case, my laptop takes this RAM right here. So I'm going to buy a new one from Amazon. I'm just going to type in this in Amazon. I'm going to copy and paste this name. I'm going to copy and paste this into Amazon. Then I'm going to buy it. So after you find out which RAM that your laptop takes, we're going to unscrew the back of our laptop if it lets you. So here's the back of my laptop. I've just got a screwdriver right here. Just gonna unscrew these screws real quick. There's one. Next. There's two. There's one. There's three. And that should be it. So take out the back now. So as you can see, I've got the RAM right here. So there should be a lever on the RAM. So like this lever right here, I'm going to pull it up. Put this up real quick. And then the RAM came out easy, just like that. Take it out. You can see what your RAM is called. You need to get the same one. And then once you get the new RAM, you just want to simply insert it again into here. Make sure it clicks in, push it down, and it will automatically, and the levers will automatically attach to the RAM again. That's it. Then you just screw the back in again. So place the back cover, grab your screwdriver and screw it back in. And that's it. That's how you do it.